Hi friends, I'm here with another unboxing review. I have wireless Carplay from Binize. Support online and upgrade and plug and play. Let's open it and text. See it? And this is very small. And this is the cable, a USB. And this is the instructions. Support phones iOS 10 and up version, Android 11.0 and above. Plug to the USB port in your car. And Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. No more data, cables easy to install it. Used for Android Auto. This is a good for most cars models with wider CarPlay and Android Auto connection. You can use it, listen to news. Here you can call. You can put your location for maps. This is your apps. Music, news.
So love this house.
General technology, business, and more. Sports. Entertainment. Science. Health. Hairstyle. National. Friends, if you want to check this out, click in the link below and get 10% discount. Thank you for your support. See you in another video.